Welcome. We will tackle two quick knowledge checks. First, what does the title Dow 36,000 actually imply? Then, a mini Spanish time review converting between words and numbers. Knowledge check. In 1999, a book titled Dow 36,000 was published when the Dow was near 12,000. Which statement is an equivalent way to say Dow 36,000? We will reveal the options. Here is the key insight. The Dow is price-weighted. That means the Dow equals the sum of its 30 component share prices divided by a constant number, the divisor. So if the Dow goes from 12,000 to 36,000, that is a tripling of the price-weighted average. And because the divisor is essentially fixed, the sum of the 30 share prices must also triple. Let's visualize with a mini example of three stocks. We will use simple pretend prices, 50, 100, and 250. The sum is 400. If the divisor is 1 over 30, then the Dow is about 12,000 in this toy world, because 400 divided by about 0.033 gives 12,000. Now watch the bars triple in height. The sum becomes 3 times as large, and the Dow becomes 3 times as large, going from 12,000 to 36,000 in the example. Therefore, the correct substitute title is the first one. The sum of the share prices of all 30 Dow Jones members will triple. Let's mark the incorrect ones and explain briefly why. Market capitalization uses shares times price and is not what the Dow averages. Market cap does not have points. That option is nonsense. Retirement accounts are unrelated to how the Dow is calculated. Now, a short Spanish time review. We will first convert from Spanish phrases to numeric times, and then convert numeric times back to Spanish. Note that we will use the standard forms including es la una for 1 o'clock and son las for the other hours. We have also corrected minor spelling typos in the prompts. Step 1. Fill in the numeric times. We will reveal each row one by one. Las tres y veinte becomes 3:20. Las cinco menos cinco becomes 4:55. Las doce y cuarto becomes 12:15. La una y media becomes 1:30. Las siete menos cuarto becomes 6:45. Step 2. Fill in the correct time in words. 3:20 y son las 3:20. 4:55 is son las cinco menos cinco. 12:15 y son las 12 y cuarto. 1:30 is la una y media. 6:45 is son las 7 menos cuarto. Great work! Key takeaways. Dow 36,000 implies the sum of the 30 component share prices triples because the Dow is price-weighted. And for Spanish time, remember es la una for 1 o'clock and son las for other hours, with menos cuarto for a quarter to and y cuarto for a quarter past.